Hey y'all, it's Miss Di. I just wanted to hop on here really quick and go over your homework for ELA again. As always, to find your homework, you click on the homework tab for any of your subjects, and you can look on the side and it will give you the subject. So like I said, I want to talk about ELA. For ELA, as a reminder, if you did not turn in your Lesson 1 land on Google Classroom, it was due on Friday. Go ahead and get that done as soon as possible. But for today, you have two things that you're doing. The first thing you're doing is in your response journal, you need to finish page 13. And in your vocabulary journal, you are finishing the Lesson 2 vocabulary words from pages 4 and 6. And both of these are due at the end of the day. If you click here on this Nearpod, it's going to take you to a student-paced Nearpod. Your name should already be typed. If it's not typed, go ahead, type your name, and you're going to press Join Lesson. So what you're going to do is you can just click through your Nearpod. You don't have to do any of the activities. Your focus is doing pages 13 and your vocabulary. If you did miss today's lesson, I would go ahead and I would read each slide. You will see that the Collaborate board, which we had a lot today, that doesn't work. So you just skip through it to go to the next one. And like I said, your focus is on those vocabulary words. So I'm clicking through. Whenever I see vocabulary journal, I'm going to go to my pink vocabulary journal and I'm using pages 4, 5, and 6. Inference is at the bottom of page 4. I need to write these words. So I'm going to click through my whole Nearpod, and anytime I see a vocabulary word, I need to double check to make sure I got the right word in my lesson. So I need to make sure I added composition, object, and figure. These first vocabulary words we did as a class. But the rest of them, remember, I skipped over those words and I told you that you would need to come back and add them. So you need to go back and you need to add line. You need to add color. And you need to make sure that in your response journal, this should say lesson 2, in your response journal for lesson 2, page 13, you need to make sure your paper looks like my paper. Make sure you add focal point. And make sure you wrote the central message. And remember, the central message of the Great Wave is the ocean can be powerful. And this is the slide we stopped on today. So once you get to this slide, you can stop and we'll finish the rest of lesson 2 tomorrow. As always, if you have any questions, you are free to call, text, or email me. Have a great day.